Why do we find silica gel packets in everything we buy? Why do we get goosebumps? Why school buses are painted yellow in color? If you wanna know answers, watch this video till the end. Why do we find silica gel packets in everything we buy? Most of us might have actually noticed it. Little packets of silica gel are found in all sorts of products because silica gel is a desiccant. It absorbs and holds water vapor. In leather products and foods like pepperoni, the lack of moisture can limit the growth of mold and reduce spoilage. In electronics, it prevents condensation, which might damage the electronics. If a bottle of vitamins contained any moisture vapor and were cooled rapidly, the condensing moisture would ruin the pills. You will find little silica gel packets in anything that would be affected by excess moisture or condensation. But then, isn't silica gel harmful and dangerous to us? Silica gel is nearly harmless, which is why you find it in food products. Silica or silicon dioxide is the same material found in quartz. The gel form contains millions of tiny pores that can absorb and hold moisture. Silica gel is essentially porous sand. It absorbs about 40% of its weight in moisture and can take the relative humidity in a closed container down to about 40%. Once saturated, you can drive the moisture off and reuse silica gel by heating it above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 150 degrees Celsius. Why do we get goosebumps? When you're cold or you experience a strong emotion such as fear, shock, anxiety, sexual arousal, or even inspiration, goosebumps can suddenly pop up all over the skin, especially on your arms and legs. They occur when the tiny muscle located at the base of each hair follicle contracts, causing the hair to stand on end, from where the saying "made my hair stand on its end" literally came from. But what really causes this involuntary body response, and does it have a purpose? While these goosebumps or piloerections have no beneficial function in humans, scientists say furry animals have practical reasons for getting goosebumps. In animals, hair standing on end creates insulation against the cold. Goosebumps also appear during a fight-or-flight situation. When an animal finds itself in danger, the raised fur coat makes the animal look bigger than it normally is and may scare off predators. Humans don't have enough body hair for goosebumps to have any insulating effect, and goosebumps won't scare off any would-be predators either. They are an involuntary response to hormone surges caused by changes in temperature or emotion. Why school buses are yellow in color? And why not in any other color? To know why yellow is the only color to paint school buses, you need to understand what its wavelength and frequency is. Red color has the longest wavelength, approximately 650 nanometers, among the various components of the white light. It does not scatter like the blue color, and so is used to indicate danger and stop signal, as it can be spotted from far away. The yellow color lies below the red color and has the lower wavelength than the red, but higher than the blue, as can be understood from the acronym VIBGYOR, which stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are arranged in increasing wavelengths: violet, which has only 380 nanometers, and red, which has 700 nanometers. Although red color catches the most attention, it has already been attributed to danger. So, the next most attentive color, which can be distinguished in any crowd, yellow, is painted on school buses. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are a subscriber, thank you for your support. And if you are not, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting updates. If you enjoyed this video, please do watch other videos too. Thank you for your time.